Bygningsartikler now saves 22% of the total cost on their conveyor modules thanks to an ASI solution from Bihl+Wiedemann. Since the company was founded in 1967, the LEAP factory in Nye Åby, Denmark, has been manufacturing products for the construction industry in a highly automated production environment. These products include tile adhesives, joint and floor fillers, waterproof compounds, silicone, epoxy and fillers, etc. Bygningsartikler has expanded their high-rise warehouse, high-stack crane, with a new system for storing pre-packed pallets. The new warehouse includes modular chain conveyors, where each module has its own geared motor with integrated control. They are all connected together with the sensors and a central PLC in an ARS interface network with integrated safety. Each module and the complete system is connected through an ASI network with integrated safety from Bihl+Wiedemann. New conveyor modules can be added simply without additional wiring from the main PLC. The AGV, Automated Guided Vehicle, is also part of the ASI network and is supplied with Lenser smart motors and ASI motor modules from Bihl+Wiedemann. The roller conveyor modules are developed by Bygningsartikler themselves, and they are manufactured in cooperation with Hugens. Using the diagnostic data from the PLC on the HMI gives a great overview of the system and its performance. Bihl+Wiedemann did the calculation of the total cost of materials and the installation time required for building 12 conveyor modules. The calculations show that the costs of a system with conventional parallel wiring are 22% higher than for a system with ARS interface.